Hi everyone. In this session, I'm going to present you the overview for Google Search Console. Google Search Console will help you to understand the different dynamics and the measurements of your website. So let me proceed with each and every single options which basically presented in this dashboard. If you see at the top here, you can add your website's information here by just clicking the add property as I already added my website. So these are the menu items which basically presented the different meanings. So if I just click here, the overview that will be presenting me the different options, insights, like explore your insights. If you want to get the full report for your website information, so you just need to click the full report now. Once you click here the full report, that basically presented your website information where your website is ranking, like 28 days before data, the 3 months before data, how your website's performing in this time duration. And also I can add some more filters as well now. Like if I want to see the data for the last 6 months, 12 months, I can easily fetch the data as per my needs, wants, and expectations. And if I just click here the cancel, I can also search the websites if I want to see the data on the website, or if I want to see the videos or news or anything. I can get the data as per my own need, but currently I just need to select the web and click here the apply, and this basically updating the informations about the last 3 months data. And if I just scroll down here, the different sections basically presented the different informations. The queries which basically people asked in this website, and the number of pages. As you can see, if I just scroll down, so these were the queries were asked in this website. And if I just scroll up, so these were the pages basically user visited and their number of impressions, and if there will be any clicks, so that will be presented here as well. And if I just navigate towards the countries, you exactly will be able to see the countries information, how many users visited your websites with respect to different countries informations. And also if I just go towards the devices, so here what kind of devices the users were basically looking forward while navigating towards your website, and then the search appearances, and then the dates. So you can also fetch the data with respect to specific dates, like on a specific date how many impressions you got, and their information is also be able to accessible very easily. And also if I just navigate towards the 24 hours data, so how many impressions or clicks I got within a 24, so that information is also be there now. This is just presented this website for the demo purposes now, so that is the reason we don't have much data. And this is the new feature which basically Google Search Console introduces, which is called as the Insights. If I just click here the Insights, so you exactly will be able to see the data with respect to last 28 days, how many clicks you got for a specific page. And also if I just navigate towards the performance, and also if I go towards the URL inspection, I can just see and copy and paste the specific URL, and just want to review that my website page, a specific website page exists in Google platform or not. And if I just go towards the pages, so these were the pages which act exactly indexed, like they hosted on Google search archive. And whenever the Google search bots will be trying to searching a specific information, when someone else will be typing something for a keyword, so if your website also presented the same information, then Google will be presented that website in the search um, terms as well. As you can see, if I just specify the specific search term, and if I just scroll down, so if that information or the keyword which you just try to search. Also you address some topics, so your website information will be there. So let's say if I can say leadership qualities. So if you created a post or a page related to this one, so your page, if indexed, index mean archived on Google cloud servers, so your website will be presented here as well. So currently, as you can see that I don't have that keyword, so that is the reason my website is not there. And index mean that in your website how many pages archived on Google its servers and exist in the Google platform, and on the basis of that, if you properly did the SEO, search engine optimization, so definitely your pages will be presented like index. And not index means that these were the numbers that not basically exist in Google search servers as well now. So if you want to see the reason, if you just click here, and if I scroll down, why pages are not indexed, this means that these pages that are not indexed can't be served on Google because they don't exist in Google servers and hosted on the Google servers. So if something does not exist in the Google hosted servers, this means that you are unable to review your website specific page on Google search uh, terms. When someone would like to type the google.com and want to search for a certain topic, your web page will not be presented there. So the best way to do the indexing on your website, you just need to go towards the pages and you just need to specify the URL of a specific page which you want to basically index. So once you just type here and paste your specific page, whatever the specific page, for example www dot, I would like to say abc.com, and once you enter here, so this page does not exist. That is the reason user said that URL is not in property. So you can select, for example, a specific page. Let me find a specific page here which currently not indexed, and for example I can take this page as this one now, 8820 rules now. So this page I would like to copy here with this copy icon, and here in the pages I can just paste here now. Once I paste here now and click enter, so Google is retrieving the data information, and this is what exactly this information presented, that URL is not on Google. So this page is not indexed. This means that this page does not served on Google, and the reason is that we need to archive this page and in Google hosted servers. So that is the reason we just need to first of all click here to see the test live that the page does not have any problem, and we can easily index on Google servers, so that when users try to search related towards the topic for the quality assurance, my page should be presented in front of them now. So this is the way you first of all needs to test your page information, and now you can see that yes, the URL is available to Google, and if the URL is available to Google, so you just need to click here the request index now. So once you click here the request index, so now congratulations, this is the way that you can submit your request towards the user Google servers. And as you can see that user URL is added to priority, and whenever the crawler, their Google bots, they will be navigating towards your websites, and if they see the required information, they archive your website if exactly presented all the information and the keywords which user wants to search on google.com, and if you did a proper SEO, search engine optimization, so definitely your website should be ranked within the first 10 to 15 websites top in the google.com search terms. So I hope that you exactly understand that how you can index your specific URL on Google servers, and this will be helping for archiving your informations on Google server, and will be helping to exist on globally as well now. Thank you very much for watching this session.